1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a car that perfectly blends luxury and performance, making it one of the most iconic personal luxury coupes of its time. When Chevrolet introduced the Monte Carlo, it wasn't just another car, it was a statement of style, sophistication, and muscle car power. This combination of elegance and performance helped the Monte Carlo carve out its own legacy in automotive history. At the heart of the 1970 Monte Carlo was a variety of powerful engine options, giving buyers the ability to choose the performance level that suited them best. The base engine was a 350 cubic inch V8, but the real excitement came with the optional big blocks, including the legendary 454 cubic inch V8. This engine delivered an impressive 360 horsepower and massive amounts of torque, giving the Monte Carlo the muscle to match its looks. The growl of that big V8 under the hood was unmistakable and served as a reminder that this luxury coupe could hold its own against the muscle cars of the era. The Monte Carlo wasn't just about straight-line performance. It featured a refined suspension system that provided a smooth ride while still offering confident handling. Whether cruising down the highway or carving through back roads, the Monte Carlo delivered a driving experience that was both comfortable and exciting. This balance between luxury and performance set it apart from many other cars of its time. One of the Monte Carlo's standout features was its design. The long hood, short deck proportions gave it a commanding presence on the road, while the wide chrome grille and quad headlights added an air of sophistication. From every angle, the Monte Carlo exuded a sense of power and elegance. The sleek body lines and subtle curves gave it a timeless look that still turns heads today. Optional vinyl tops and rally wheels further enhanced the car's style, allowing owners to customize their Monte Carlo to their tastes. Inside, the Monte Carlo offered a level of comfort and refinement that was rare for the era. The cabin featured plush seating, a well-designed dashboard, and high-quality materials throughout. It was a car built for cruising in style, with options like air conditioning, power windows, and an 8-track stereo system that made it a luxurious retreat for drivers and passengers alike. The Monte Carlo delivered on its promise of being a personal luxury car that didn't compromise on comfort. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo was also a car that embodied the spirit of the 1970s. It was part of a new trend in the automotive world, where manufacturers began blending the performance of muscle cars with the comfort and sophistication of luxury vehicles. Chevrolet's marketing described the Monte Carlo as America's best buy in luxury and personal value, and it's easy to see why. It offered the best of both worlds, appealing to drivers who wanted muscle car performance without sacrificing comfort and style. Even today, the 1970 Monte Carlo remains a favorite among classic car enthusiasts. Its unique combination of luxury and performance, along with its timeless design, has made it a sought-after collector's item. Whether it's restored to original condition or customized to reflect the owner's personality, the Monte Carlo continues to be a symbol of an era when cars were built with character and purpose. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. It represents a time when American automakers were pushing the boundaries of design and performance, creating vehicles that were as exciting to look at as they were to drive. From its powerful V8 engines to its luxurious interior, the Monte Carlo captured the hearts of drivers then and it still does today. If you enjoyed learning about this classic piece of American automotive history, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Car Craze, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo and share your favorite car from the golden era of muscle and luxury. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Turbo Car Craze.